today I'm gonna share with you my high school makeup routine / get ready with me. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. It's been a while since I filmed anything, so I'm gonna give you guys a little high school life update while I do my makeup and share some tips with you. We're gonna start off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze, and I just bought this right before the first day of school, and it has been helping me with my brows so much because genuinely my brows do not move the whole day. Like, they are stuck in place, and it honestly makes my brows look like they're full on like laminated. I want to film more like school content for you guys because I never really did that last year, and I feel like I love watching high school content and trying to like romanticize going to school because it definitely is a love-hate experience. I am really excited for this year. Next week is actually going to be my homecoming week, and oh yeah, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in, I don't know what shade this is. Homecoming week is next week, so I've been trying to plan out my outfits. It's going to be like a, what is it, going back in time type of spirit week, so I'm trying to figure that out. And then I have a homecoming game that I'm gonna be performing at, because if you guys didn't know, I'm actually a dancer, so I perform at all the halftime shows and all the performances that my school has for homecoming. Okay, I just put concealer on all my blemishes, but now we're gonna get into the blush, and this is one of my best things, and this is the Milk Makeup like jelly thing, and I really like this because it's super pigmented, but it also stays on like the whole day. And lately I've been into just like not putting too much blush on. I don't know why, but I kind of don't really like to put much blush, which is funny because before that's all I put on my face. But I'm gonna tell you guys what my junior year schedule looks like. So I have 8 periods in the school day, and 8 periods total, and I have 6 periods every school day. Period 1, I have a free period, which is really nice. The lip liner I used, this is the Revlon Color Stay Long Wear Liner, and this is in shade Nude. I love this lip liner so much. Period 2, I have an honors independent research class. Basically, you have a year-long project that you're working on, like as a research project. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes. Then period 3, I have another free. I actually used to have a history class, but I dropped it because it was kind of a heavy topic and it was too much for me to go through. Period 4, I have pre-calc, and it's just, let's just say it's not for the weak. It is very difficult. Calc is a challenge. Definitely a challenge. Let me do the other side and I'll be back. After period 4, pre-calc, I have period 5, which is PE, and I have 3/4 of PE this year, which is actual insanity because I've never had to do that much PE in my life, but here we are. Dancers actually don't get PE credit at my school, which is something that has bothered lots of people, but I don't know why it hasn't changed. Oh, okay, we'll fix that. I also have English afterwards, and my English elective I'm taking is creative nonfiction, which is actually a really interesting class, so I'm honestly enjoying that. We're writing like college essays in that class, which is really helpful for next year. Let me take this off. I cannot focus with this on. And then my last 2 classes are musical theater and dance. So yeah, my schedule's honestly really good. And we finished the makeup routine, so let me show you. Also, I forgot to say, but the mascara I was using, I'll put right here, and it's lash telescopic lift, I'm pretty sure, and I've been loving it. But here we go. I didn't style my hair. I just put in a scrunchie, and honestly, it looks really good. But thank you guys so much for watching my little makeup routine slash high school get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want more high school content, please like, and I'll see you guys with another video.